Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angel, mom of two. Today's video is going to be a day in the life. First, I am installing our new car seat that we got for Zuri. I'm super excited because it's one of those that turns, so it's so much easier to put babies in. Also, you can save so much space with these. I'm going to show you while I'm installing it how it saves space and how you can tilt it up so that you can have more space behind the seat, and you can also do rear facing, forward facing, all of that in one. So installing this was super easy. They have a YouTube instructional video, which was so helpful to do. The cushion in the seat is also super comfortable. I'm so far very pleased with the quality of this one. This is not a sponsored video, but I did want to show you guys how super easy it was to install and the features of this car seat. And this is where I'm showing you if you need more space, you can actually tilt the seat to give you more space. You ready to go? You ready to go? Yeah. Zuri is 6 months, going on 7 months filming this video. Can you believe time has moved this quickly? I feel like I just had her. But anyway, it's time to get her ready to go. Ace is already dressed, but this is literally realistically how it goes. I get one dressed and then I have to go get the other one dressed. And these two just love each other so much. I pray that it continues and grows with them, but they just are two peas in a pod. She's been crawling for about the last month or so, and she's already standing to walking, holding on to something. So I won't be surprised if she started walking early like Ace did. So we shall see. And for those of you who didn't know, I literally feel super blessed to have Zuri because she was extremely difficult to get here. We went through IVF with both our kids, and with Zuri went through 4 embryos. I'm trying to get her girl here, so we went through all our girl embryos, but we finally got her here, thankfully, and I did go through miscarriage, which I've talked about previously on this channel. But if you want to see any of my IVF series, all that is on my channel. Ooh. Yeah. There you go.
Get your lip. You're not ready. You excavating?
Bulldozer.
Yeah. What mommy doing?
I love this carrier. It is so easy to put on. I don't need help. And I've went through several carriers over the years with both my kids. And this one I found to be the easiest to put on. And plus it has a lot of storage and a lot of extra features that the other one doesn't have. And it's affordable. Like it's half the price of some I've paid for. It has teethers on here for babies. It also has storage for phones and cups and so much. I just really, really do love it. I will definitely have it linked in my Amazon storefront.
17. 19.
I like the shirt.
Baby.
Yeah.
Look.
What?
It's pretty.
You good? You ready to ride? Yeah. Close. We came in Target today. I was looking for a shirt for Ace for our Christmas photo, and also to do a little bit of grocery shopping since I had a Target gift card. Strawberries? You want blackberries too? Here you go. So y'all, I actually wanted to get this on camera because every time I grocery shop with Ace, he is so helpful. He has to hand me the groceries out the cart, whether he's in the car or outside the car. Sometimes he likes to ride, sometimes he likes to push the cart, but either way, he likes to help out and give me the items so that I can scan them. He actually tries to scan too, but I'm like, no, Ace, let me scan. But he's so helpful, y'all. You too. And there he is pushing the cart. So he does both. Sometimes he pushes, sometimes he's inside. Girl, what you trying to do? What you trying to do? Back to the house. I see you. I see you. Yeah. So at the beginning of the year, you guys, I'm going to be sharing an organization series. So if you do love organization, you guys know I love to organize. Make sure to come back to my channel because I will definitely be sharing some good stuff. So make sure to come back because this house is in need of a refresh and a reset, y'all. Thank you. Yeah, you glad to be back. Say we made it back. And if you've been hanging with me over the years, you know I love to organize. It's my cup of tea. And I always say just start with one space at a time. But y'all, with kids, it's even harder. I'm not going to lie. It is definitely even harder to keep your house clean and organized. But I do what I can, and I do not beat myself up if I don't get to something. It's totally okay. Do what you can. So sharing with you guys actually some of the things we got from Target. These breakfast sandwiches had 14 grams of protein, are so good. We do use Infamil formula. The veggie voucher I also got. I didn't really like that flavor though. I've had others before. The Christmas cookies for the hubs for sure. Found Ace white t-shirt. Also, Ace is on Infogrow milk. It has tons of vitamins. He's been drinking it since he's been 1, and you know he likes it. I love the Olipop sodas. They have plant fiber in them, and they are more healthier than regular sodas. The cauliflower dill pickle nuggets, amazing. They're so good. Now the sweet potato little dinosaur bites, Ace picked those. I asked him, you know, to get something he wanted because he's so picky, and so he chose those. Got some popcorn for the husband, some veggies, some more frozen veggies. Now the sweet chili protein chips, delicious. I am in love. Been looking for me a chip that I like that's, you know, healthier. Now the buffalo chicken chips, I did try those. They are very spicy, y'all. They're okay. They're not my favorite, but they're okay. Dino nuggets is for Ace. He loved Dino nuggets. And also the fruit was for Ace as well too, because he loves fruit. I mean, I eat some too, but he eats more than everybody. And a little bit of meat. So it is definitely time for Zuri to eat. So just made her a bottle with the Breeza, and she's doing between 6 and 8 ounces at this point in time. So, and the formula has worked for her. I used the same with Ace, and it worked well for him too. No issues. They don't have to take extra vitamins, extra supplements, or anything like that either. So far, so good. Thankful for that. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video.